Before I show you how to make between 125,000 naira and 1 million naira monthly, let me tell you a quick story. Michael, a young graduate, was struggling to find a job. With just a 200 naira loan, he decided to try the palm oil business. He started with 4 kegs a week, supplying local buyers. Within his first month, he cleared a profit of 125,000 naira. By month 6, he had scaled to 30 kegs weekly, making over 500,000 naira every month. Now here's the best part. You can do this too. Do you want to earn between 125,000 naira and 1 million naira every single month from a business that never goes out of demand? Well, listen up, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to tap into one of Nigeria's most profitable ventures, the palm oil business. And trust me, this is not theory. This is a step-by-step guide you can start using right away. Palm oil is everywhere, from food to cosmetics to international export. It's an evergreen product. No matter the season, people buy it, which means the money never stops flowing. But here's the thing. There are 2 models in the palm oil business. The first and most common is buying in bulk between January and March when prices are low, is starters storing it and selling later between August and December at a higher price. The second model, and the one we'll focus on today, is the weekly buy and sell option. Let's start with buyers, because without buyers, there's no business. Locally, you can sell to markets, wholesalers, food processors who buy in bulk. Internationally, there are export opportunities. You can partner with companies that ship abroad or eventually build your own export pipeline. But here's the golden rule. Always research who you're selling to first. Maintain records of their weekly purchase prices and build trust through consistent supply. Next, sourcing. Where do you get palm oil at the best prices? The answer is directly from local processors' farms in palm oil producing states like Ondo, Enugu, Benue, Imo, Abia, Edo, Rivers, Cross Rivers, and Delta State. Your goal is to lock in quality producers who can sell to you at least 10,000 naira cheaper than your sales price. And once you have steady buyers, you can keep scaling your weekly deliveries for bigger returns. Third, transportation. Many beginners lose money here. Leaks, contamination, careless handling. The solution? Stick with kegs and drums. Use only trusted logistics providers. Some smart traders even brand their kegs. Bottom line, protect your product and you protect your profit. Now, let's run some quick numbers. As of August 2025, the average purchase price of a 25-liter keg in Ondo State is 50,000 naira. Selling price in Lagos is 62,000 naira. Transport is about 2,500 naira per keg. Unknown expenses estimated at 1,500 naira. Now, let's do the math. 62,000 naira minus 50,000 naira minus 2,500 naira minus 1,500 naira equals 8,000 naira profit per keg. If you start small with just 4 kegs a week, 8,000 naira multiplied by 4 kegs for 4 weeks equals 128 per month. Just think about it. Alright, so what do you need to get started? Here's a simple checklist. List of buyers, at least 2 to 3 reliable ones. Source contacts, processors who can supply consistently. Capital, 200k naira to 300k. Naira is enough to start with 3 to 4 kegs. Transport plan, logistics company or personal arrangement. Record keeping, track your cost, sales and profits every week. If you tick all these boxes, you're ready to start. Here's the truth. The palm oil business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you follow this roadmap, you can consistently make between 125,000 naira and 1 million naira monthly. So are you ready to stop watching and start doing? Smash that like button, hit subscribe and share this video with someone who's ready to start a business today. And hey, if you'd like me to break down the export model of palm oil in another video, let me know in the comments.